Dude, for old time's sake, I want to just...
Hey, you know what it is.
We're out here, out in these woods in Duluth. What's this called?
Egret Park.
Okay.
Egret Park. The tower's up yonder over there.
Up the hill that way. And we're just going down this little trail here. Watch your step. Dang, that's nice. They already are. Oh, I just wanted to get more of the woods. But dude, the consistency was what was important. That's what we were talking about.
The consistency.
Because
I'm aware of what I'm doing.
Of how
At
many
least
days
I'm not
you've
confused of what
stacked
I'm doing.
up over the long term and bettering your health. Hi. You'll start to step into your new body over time, I swear. I'm actually filming this right now because I was going to go back to some of these thoughts that came up earlier about why you don't know why you're working out. Maybe it's your 5th day at the gym for the week.
Climb into this.
It's for your future where you're weak. You'll have extra strength. And dude, I was watching this video while working out the other day, and it was Bob Proctor, and he was talking about a surgeon that did like plastic surgery, and the people that he would operate on, like their psychological patterns would change, their self-image would be different literally minutes after the operation. And he talks about how we have a physical self-image, like we literally have like a physical self. We have a body, we have a reality that we need to like come in awareness to. But there's an internal psychological picture, like an inner vision for our highest best, dude. And today we conquered, man. I think the lesson really, TJ, that I'm trying to convey here in this like rant is that we're getting the relationship between our external bodies and our awareness and our psychological internal parts of ourselves through like health and fitness and wellness. We're getting our ideal self-image. We're getting closer to it physically every day by being consistent over the long term. And Bob Proctor talks about you need to consciously impress the highest vision for yourself into your subconscious and get that relationship real. Get it really harmonious, and that's how you get to the best version of yourself. And
step into the best version of yourself.
TJ, I really appreciate you, and I'm glad that we're friends because I think that we're both at way, way healthier futures than we could have ever anticipated getting, our friendship started like back up.
Everything that came with that friendship.
Yeah, dude, like the years of grinding, the good moments, the like days like this, dude, like that's why I'm vlogging this. I'm like having very profound insights, and
capture this, Wyatt. Got the hill and the rays.
The rays.
Shooting down.
I know, it's such a gorgeous day, dude. Yeah, man, I'm just thinking about it. We think so much about like, oh, we're not there yet, but we have to be here now, dude. And we're like, whoa, dude, we're so, I'm feeling it, bro. I'm feeling like the evolution of my own consciousness just smashing through everything, dude. I feel like we conquered. We're champions of our last 3 years, at least, if not more. All of them.
Through failure.
All of them, dude.
Through failure, we find success.
Dude, we're beyond failure. Yeah.
What just happened?
We busted in, mate. We busted in.
All right.
Let's go.
Dude, this is reminding me of Blood of the Dead, just like the gates and like the jail kind of. Definitely feeling slightly anxious here. Look at that view. I mean, we're talking a day of days.
A day of days.
We're kings, dude. Not even supposed to be up here. We're just kings. We're just kings. Yep. Yeah. Bro, the water tower with like the smoke gear and like those brown buildings down there, with the water in the background, kind of looks like. Why build the tower? Why build the tower if you can't climb it? Hey. That's your album cover, you know, for your rap album. Wait a minute, no, do it. Go up to the tower. Like right there. Yeah.
Oh, the tower?
Yeah, like, oh, dude. Oh my goodness. A little bit with the background. Yeah. Yep.
Yeah.